What's the meaning of capitalize? Capitalize. Capitalize.
Capitalize. Capitalize. Capitalize means to convert the first letter of a word to uppercase, while leaving the rest of the letters in their original case. This is commonly used in writing titles, headings, and proper nouns. For example, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog would become the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog when capitalized. The result of capitalizing text is to make it more visually prominent and easier to read, particularly in contexts where certain words or phrases need to be emphasized or stand out from the surrounding text.